cool leaks. Before we get into the video, I would like you to visit our website. It has really cool content related to HTML, CSS, PHP, JavaScript, Python, WordPress, Linux, Raspberry Pi. Do visit it.
Hey guys, I'm Rifat, and in this video we're gonna go through how to install Docker and Ubuntu. So you can have first thing you want to do is you need to have Ubuntu running on your system, and it could be 18.04 or 20.04 or any latest version. So first you want to go ahead and open your terminal and make sure you have sudo privileges allowed. And I'm gonna say ls, and then we have. I'm gonna go ahead into my directory, and here we go. So I'll try to, first thing I want to do is update my package manager. So I'm going to type in the command sudo apt get update. It's going to ask me for the password. Go ahead and type your password. It's going to take a while to update your package. That's done. Now the second thing you need to do is you need to make sure you remove every previous installation of Docker, because it also causes conflicts if you try to install a new version of Docker and then you have some of the files left in your Docker in your system. So it's going to cause conflicts. So we'll go ahead and remove any kind of Docker file or Docker installation left in your PC before installing it. So for that, I'm going to type apt-get remove Docker, Docker engine, and Docker IO. So it's going to remove all the three, that is Docker, Docker engine, and Docker IO. Oh, I missed. There's a typo. It's apt-get. Yep, and don't worry if you're getting this unable to locate Docker engine package. It's fine. It's removing. So now we can go ahead and install our Docker. For that, we can type in sudo apt install docker.io. Now I have already installed it, so it was a bit fast. But if it asks you to continue and to press Y, go ahead and do that. Now you have installed Docker. You need to go ahead and start your Docker. So for that, you can go sudo system ctl start Docker. Yep, it's started, and we're going to also enable Docker system ctl enable Docker. Yep, it's enabled. So that's that. You need to check if your Docker has installed properly. For that, you can go ahead and type in the command to check the version, and that is Docker. Yep, it's 19.308, and build is this key value. And that's a simple way you can do to install Docker. But if you want to install a specific version of Docker, you can type in the following command. Say sudo apt-get. This is I'm gonna say apt-get install. I'll say Docker. I'll say CE, and I'm gonna type in the version that I want. So if you want any version that you want, you can go ahead and type the version here, and that specific version will be installed in your PC. So I'm not gonna do that because I've already installed it. And if you type in this command, sudo apt-get install docker -ce, this is gonna install the latest version of Docker that you have. So that is that. And I've already installed Docker, that's why it's throwing this error, but it's already installed 19.38. So this is how you install Docker in Ubuntu. It's the simplest commands you need to type, and you'll be able to install Docker without any errors, hopefully. For this, you need to make sure you have Ubuntu, latest version of Ubuntu, 18.04 or 20.04, it's fine. Anything will work. And you need to make sure that you have sudo privileges available to you. That's all for this video. I hope to see you in the next one.
And that's all for today. For more details, you can visit our website. Its link would be in the description box below. Hope you enjoyed our video. If you did, don't hesitate to like, share, subscribe, and click on the bell icon. If you have any sort of questions, you can leave the feedback in the comment section below. Thank you.